Good evening, everyone. This is Ayo Academy. You're welcome to my channel. Today we want to treat a particular topic, which we have. This is apply mechanics. Apply mechanics here, and today we want to work on an inclined plane. We want to resolve forces in an inclined plane. So we have a question here. Say a system of forces acting on a body resting on an inclined plane is as shown below. Determine the resultant force if theta is 60 degree and if W, which is the weight, is 1000 Newton, and the normal, which is represented with N, is 500 Newtons. The force is that is the frictional force is 100, and the tension is 1200. So the first thing we need to do here is to draw the inclined plane. Then after the drawing of the inclined plane, we resolve all those forces into vertical and the horizontal components. Okay, let's do that now. Solution now. We have to write solution. So inclined plane, we have an inclined plane like this. Let me make it very big. Okay. So we have, this is the horizontal floor. There's the floor, the ground. So we have this, we have the inclined plane. So we have this is the body, this is the object, the body. So they gave us the weight is given, which is the W, is given as 1000 Newtons. The normal, which is given as N, is 500 Newtons. Because of space, let me put it the remaining one here. And the tension here, which is T, is given as 1200 Newtons. And the frictional force or friction force is given as 100 Newtons. So that is it. So we have our weight as this. We have our normal 500. We have our tension to be 1200. We have the frictional force, which is 100. We have it as 100. So the tension now, what is the meaning of that tension? The tension is that there is a rope. That is where we have the tension. You understand? There is a rope that is holding this body. So the body is holding this body. So let's say the tension, that is the rope, is angled like this. You understand? The other side, that is, so the tension is 1200 Newtons. So the friction, now if you are dragging it, we have the friction force. So if you are moving the body like this, the frictional force will be in this form. That is, if I'm trying to move something like this, I will maybe I'm moving a table. I will hear some sound, and that sound is emanated from a friction force which is against the motion. You understand? So the friction force, which is F, is 100 Newtons. So we have the tension moving upward, and we have the friction moving the opposite of it. You understand now? Then I will solve this into the vertical and the horizontal. So I'm picking this. Now I'm having the weight. The weight will be in this side. So don't forget the angle between them. That is the angle theta between the floor and the plane is 60. So this side is 60. This place is 60. This up side is also what? 60. You understand? So 60. So we want to resolve into vertical and the horizontal. So I can pick it from this side. I can put from this side, the center here. So this one is friction. This one is the horizontal component of the weight. You understand? And this is the vertical. That is joining. This I'm joining. Look at this point. This point joining this one at vertical, and this one has a horizontal. So I can still draw it here also, so that it's very easy. So what I'm having here is still the same, like this line that I'm having it coming from this point. This friction force is not coming with points, it's just opposite of that, what is it called, tension, is that taken out. But this one, I'm resolving the weight is W here. So this one that is vertical is HY, exactly now, and this horizontal is WX, and this one is WY. So this one is Y is W, the weight. So if I want to make it clearer, I can just draw a triangle here. I draw a triangle, then I just want to make it more clearer. You understand what I'm saying now? So if you have questions also, you can put it in the comment section. So we have this place is the W now. The angle is here is 60, exactly now. So the vertical now is WY, and then this place is WX. You understand what I'm saying now? So if I want to find this side, I want to find this side. So this is opposite. This is my opposite, and this will be my hypotenuse. You know, it's the longest side is the hypotenuse, and this is the opposite at this point. So I will say, and opposite and the hypotenuse talking about sine. So we have sine 60 is equals to opposite WX over W. So this one times this one. That is, I can use cross multiplying, but cross multiplying can be in two places or one places. What I mean by two places, I can have A over B and C over D. I can cross multiply like this one times this one times this. I can also say only one. I want to just move one. So I can just move this one and cross multiply only one, leaving this one will not remain. So we now have W is sine 60 is equals to WX. So that therefore